Hello everyone. Welcome to the demonstration of RCGraph, a tool that integrates information in Readme files and commits through temporal knowledge graphs.
Readme files contain information about the project such as instructions to execute the project, version information of the project, its functionalities, licenses and so on, which are useful for both users and contributors. Assessing changes in Readme files could provide useful insights on evolution of the project. To this end, we present an approach and a tool for generating temporal knowledge graphs over Readme file of a repository. We first generate knowledge graph over the final Readme file of the repository and store it in a triplet format. We then construct knowledge graphs over the changes made by individual commits and then combine all the individual knowledge graphs to construct one final commit knowledge graph. In order to construct temporal knowledge graph of Readme, we need to extract a temporal relation. For this, we map the triplets of the Readme knowledge graph to the triplets present in the commit knowledge graph and extract and embed time and commit SHA information. Now I will show the run through of the code and create a temporal knowledge graph over a repository and display the results. We will be creating a temporal knowledge graph on the Readme file of the repository Microsoft PowerToys. To create a temporal knowledge graph, we need to run the script main.py by passing the repository name as an argument. So the construction of kg on the commits is completed. Now it is constructing the kg on the Readme file, the final Readme file. So the construction of temporal knowledge graph is completed. We can view the resultant files in the subdirectory results. So we can see the resultant files inside the subdirectory of results. As you can see, this is the knowledge graph on the Readme file in the format of CSV, and the kg on commits is present in the format of CSV as well as in format of JSON. Now we'll show the results of the temporal knowledge graph generation process that we have performed. So these are the resultant files generated. This CSV file corresponds to the knowledge graph generated on the Readme file. It is stored in triplet format where the fields are entity 1, relationship and entity 2. This file corresponds to the knowledge graph generated on commits. It is stored in JSON format where the key corresponds to the commit SHA and the items are the date of the commit, the addition, the text that was added is stored in the additions array, and the text that was deleted is stored in the deletions array. In order to create a tuple of temporal knowledge graph, we map these triplets to the corresponding triplets in additions array, and then we extract the commit date and commit SHA, and then we embed those two fields in this CSV. Here we are displaying one of the tuples generated of the temporal knowledge graph. Here the entity 1 is PowerToys, the entity 2 is various commands in PowerToys run, and the relationship between them is allows. The timestamp of the commit is also stored here along with the commit SHA. Thank you for watching our demonstration.